Hello friends, this is the Brussels beach. People spend their summertime on this beach. They spend their summer vacations with their families and relatives. Wow, awesome view, sunset. Here's the man is playing with the ball. We can also play games or whatever. People really enjoy a lot at their. It's the park. You can just walk around, wandering around down to the streets. Here is the car and roads. Here is the statue. Wow, awesome. It's great. It's a garden. Beautiful time. And is walking. It's another statue. No, I think it's same. People can walk around, eat something, and visit here with their families and friends. People are walking. Wow, good. This is the Holland beach. I'm sorry, not beach, it's a country, Holland country. Wow, it's the sunlight. Beautiful view, greenery. Houses near to the roads. Wow, I just love this place. Awesome. The bus is coming. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and like this video.